Welcome back to Billy's. We got a Vauxhall Grandland here today. It is a 19 plate. I believe it's only 39 or 37,000 miles for a wet belt. I'll show you. Let's see how many miles this one got. So it's got a focus. 39,000 miles, 38,324 miles, and it is already coming up with the oil pressure light. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna drop the sump, have a look, see if there's any issues going on. With the oil pickup and everything. We will take you along the journey. We're gonna strip down the, come on, focus, yes. So we're gonna take the intake manifold off, we're gonna take the rocker cover off and take the sump off, and we will show you, see what's going on. Yeah, so it's 2019 with 38,000 miles, and the wet belt is already failing. Yeah, so we took the belt out, and look at the state of the belt. Can you see the cracks on the belt? The pickup was all blocked. We took the belt out, lad cut it out, but it was horrible. Like, the pieces were coming off. Look, the back, the belt is cracking. Anyway, we put the new belt on. The cams are all locked up tight. The crank is all timed up. So what we'll do is put everything all back together and give it a fire up and see how it goes. We put a new pickup on, brand new belt. It was ENA one, so it's a OEM replacement. So we'll give it a start and see how it goes. So we put everything back together. The pickup is, we cleaned the pickup. Customer didn't want to spend too much money, so we cleaned the pickup properly. Everything is all sorted. We done the timing is all sorted. The locking tool is in here, as you can see. So now we're gonna clean this. We're gonna take this silicone off and just reseal the area up and put it back together. Brand new oil filter, and give it a run, and then we will let you know how it comes along. Yeah, stay tuned. So we done the timing belt. Everything has been put back together now. So we're gonna give it a start. We pushed the car out of the way because we needed the ramp. So this is the first start. Let's see how it goes. There you go, absolutely spot on. The car's running mint. So if you guys need any of the wet belts or anything to do with your car, for example, clutches, timing belts, head gaskets, normal general, how should I say, maintenance on your car, give us a shout. Yeah, give us a shout. We will be able to sort everything out for you.